pushing more than and I'm back again with another bang, and I'm telling you, omnye usisi osezingeni eliphezulu, omnye usisi oza nomfutho apho kunomfutho khona asibonisa abantu ngabheka ezosoba sisam ozesoba ngubani ndizothi lapha namhlanje.
Molweni enkosi kakhulu, mna ndinguZETHU Maki, stage name ZETHU and ngu-DJ, female DJ edumileyo kakhulu apha eMthatha.
Like it.
Yes. I'm also a business owner. The owner beauty salon, Levels Beauty Studio, based apha eMthatha.
Okay.
And the owner nenye business, the Elegance with ZETHU. Yes.
Kangel, woman on top, ungaphezulu. She's an independent woman, guys. Ngiyazivela ngosanibana. Yabona was business on top of another business. Jonga akaphelelanga apha. So namhlanje apha eNkandla usiphathele nivibe enjani usiphathele namhlanje apha eNkandla?
Apha eNkandla bendiniphathele i-vibe ishushu kakhulu. Abanye abantu abayiqhelanga, but once ndithi 1 2 bayakhawuleza bangene bayiqhele. Because i-3 step ayo yomntu wonke. Le into ndingayithetha, abantu abaninzi bafuna ipiano, but i-3 step ayo yomntu wonke. But xa iphethwe ndim ndithi 1 2 ungene gear.
Clock it. So please tell us, is DJing a hobby, a passion, and we can DJ?
No, it's not a hobby. A passion. Ndiqale uDJ ndifunde 2021, ndabe sengiqalisa ngo2021. Ndaqhubeka ndaya phambili bekhona wethu amadinqidinqi, but ke ukuqala kwami ngo2021 bingekho kuqala, anothi bibiqala kwecareer yami. Career yami yona iqale ukuthi boom pha yanyukela yaphezulu 2023, and then hayi ke 2025 bese sihamba phezulu. So
passion. Because lapha ephondweni uyaziwa uZETHU, guys. Namhlanje nanibona ukuthi nawo uyaziwa uZETHU. And guys, before sikushiye, please tell us nobana singakufumana phi.
Ndiyafumaneka ku-Facebook nguZETHU Maki personal page, and then kube khona uZETHU, Instagram _ZETHU, TikTok it's ZETHU _92.
Okay, for bookings also available in this pages, or it's a different type of way to book you?
Kwi-booking zam zonke ilantuka zam zikhona ibhayo, but i-email address it's avconnection@gmail.com.
Alright.
And then uzawusosa ufumana nenamba phayana kwibhayo.
Alright, thank you so much ZETHU for your time. We appreciate it, and love you guys.
Thank you.
Yo, it's your boy POSITIDE. You know what's up, you know the drill, you know the vibe, you know the banger. Guys, we're back again with another banger episode. Excess Kipani all the way. Guys, sibuyile apha nomnye umuntu osezingeni eliphezulu on a fashion esezingeni eliphezulu kwayona. As you can see, as you know, kinobana abantu apha asibaphatha abantu abapha. And abantu asibazisi bazazisa ngokwayo noma bangosaziwayo. Khona yami cela nje uzibulisele bayana uzazisa into abana ndime nabani apha namhlanje.
Mina RABZA deep kudwa yabo. Yeah, all the way from Gauteng, bro. So I came this side like literally this month, you check.
Okay.
So yeah, like I'm just a DJ, man, just trying to make a difference, you check. Yeah.
Oh, nice to know you, Mr. RABZA deep. Mr. RABZA, can you please tell us more about yourself? You are a DJ. You DJ, a DJ, what type of music? You from Johannesburg.
Yo, bro, I literally do everything, like everything, man. But I wouldn't say everything isn't everything, but I'm tapped in almost every genre, you check.
Yeah.
So piano, I'm there. Skija, you know, skitong, I'm there. Tristan. What else? Like deep house, hip hop, you know, le combo, home, you know, almost everything, man. Yeah, man. But like basically, RABZA deep is just a young nigga just trying to make a difference, you know. Like even though that's a broad thing to say, but I feel like, you know, I have a voice in music, you check.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is just me expressing myself, I guess, you check what I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, man, that's basically that, man.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you very
yeah,
much, my
yeah.
brother. So, can you please tell us more? Where did the journey start, and when did the journey started?
I would say the journey started. I've been making music, man, since like high school. You check.
Yeah.
So it started in high school with music, you know, producing,
Yeah.
rapping. I started rapping before,
Okay.
so making music all the way till like 2020. That's when I started like trying out this DJ thing,
Okay.
and then it faded out. But then it got back like last year. You check.
Yeah.
So like since last year I've been DJing, you know, because I feel like somewhere in me, you know, deep down, because I'm from PE.
Okay.
So I went to PE, I think 2024.
Okay.
So when I got to PE 2024, like the music stuff just like faded out, you know.
Okay.
So it just some guy like back in PE just inspired me to like, you know, just get back into DJing, you know. So I think it just started there, and then it just grew in me, man. Like just watching people dance, you know, it's just
Yeah.
what makes me feel, you know, better and happy. So I
Yeah.
feel like that's one of the things that made me to just like push and,
Yeah.
you know, get into it, bro.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can see and I can tell that you are serious about this, but my
Yeah.
question is, since you just mentioned that you started doing music, rapping, and all that, is
Yeah,
this
yeah.
DJ thing now a passion, or it's just a hobby?
It is, man. Like it's
Okay.
a passion. It's a passion for real. Cause like I said, like just watching people like dance, you know.
Yeah.
Cause I've seen DJs, you know. I've been on the dance floor, you know.
Yeah.
I've been, even though like I don't know how to dance, but like, you know, just being in front of the DJ and just watching the whole crowd, you
Yeah.
know, it just connected with me. You
Okay.
know, it just gave me that thing, like that feeling. You check what
Yeah.
I'm saying? So just like connecting with people, man, like watching people dance, like that's the whole meaning of, you
Yeah.
know, wanting to do this thing. Like I just want to see people dance. I just want to see people happy. So I guess like that's the vibe, man. Like
Yeah,
that's the
I
whole
love it.
thing.
I love it
Yeah,
very much, and it's quite an interesting story where you're coming
yeah.
from with all this thing. So now, can you tell our viewers where the nigga is right now? Because nigga is somewhere big.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
the nigga is right now with this
So
thing?
currently I'm in Mtata. Funny thing, I came here like this month, bro.
Yeah.
Literally this month. So I just wanted to explore the area, you know.
Yeah.
So shout out to my boy AV, you know, Avi, where he's the one
Yeah.
who hooked me up. So shout out
Yeah.
to him, man. There's a lot of places, man, but right now I'm in Nkandla Lifestyles. Dope. I would
Yeah.
say one of the dopest places, you know.
and
So
and for the first time, you
yeah.
are here at Access Kipani podcast for
Away.
people to see you that you are in Tata right now, and
Away.
they must like literally wait for something big from you, and
Yeah,
you
man.
know.
Yeah, they have to, man. I'm still tapping in, so they'll see me in all places, man.
Yeah,
Like all
yeah,
places. Like even now, in Kandla, like I'm still gonna come back. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
still gonna give people good music. You know, see people dance. So that's the whole mission, man.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the whole mission. Yeah.
Thank you very much, bro.
Shout
Now,
out, man,
I
shout
just
out.
want you. I just want you to put us into your wardrobe,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Like you've kept your swag today. So, kunazuyazi ndoba
Yeah.
when you woke up today, what came into your mind to come up with such an
Hey
splendid
man,
outfit?
I don't have a lot of clothes, man. Like don't be fooled. But I like,
Yeah.
like I just try and keep it simple. Like that's
Yeah.
me. Like I always try to keep it simple.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
If I have nice tees and nice shoes,
Tees.
that's all
That's all.
I'm into. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm all about Nike shoes. So if I have my Nike shoes on, then I'm down.
I love
So
it. I love it.
yeah,
For
man.
someone out there, maybe who wants to hook you up with something, Yana
Yeah.
around Mtata,
Yeah.
anything like that on the social platforms, how can we get you?
RABZA _DJ on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. You'll find me there, bro.
Guys, Nias by yourself.
Away.
This is RABZA Deep
Away.
from Umhlobo Wenele.
Don't confuse it with our Kabza and them, bro.
Yes.
Rabza Deep comes way.
Yeah.
It's actually my great grandfather's name, bro.
Oh.
So yeah, we used to call him Rabza, So
Oh,
it's the name I've inherited, and you know I come from a musical background, so
Yeah.
it's something that really like connected with me and
It's a
it touched me really
generational
deep.
thing.
Yeah, you check what I'm saying.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, man, it comes very deep. But I woke up and damn, bro, this is RABZA, very very unique, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, man, I'm tapped in, bro.
Guys, Miss Valley. That's it. From me to you tonight. Except keep fun. Shout out.